I worked in a factory before when I was a secondary student. In that era, made in Hong Kong is very, very common. And now it's not very common. There has to be some part that we need to make in Hong Kong to be able to satisfy the needs of the Hong Kong people.
We can see there is an urgent and great demand on the supply of face masks in the society. We identify sites within our Typo industrial estate to build a clean room and to facilitate the manufacture for mass production.
Normally, it takes about 8 to 10 weeks. Making it in 4 weeks is a big challenge. Identifying the suitable space for making a clean room is important. You can't just build a clean room stand alone. You have to have other supporting facility around it so that enable the clean room to be functional.
Most of the factories in China have suspended their production after Chinese New Year. So we have the difficulty to source those kinds of clean room building material and the MEP equipment. We have to gather all kinds of expertise within our R&D community to deliver the project. We believe technology can improve the daily life of society. What the R&D researchers are doing in our science park can translate their solution to doing good and improve the life of the people in Hong Kong.
Compavian have been thinking how to giving back to the community for a long while. And in February, we read the news about the quarantine policy. So the whole team think of why don't we use our positioning technology to help the government and helping the Hong Kong citizens. To develop this app, we used our existing library and the platform as the base. From the very beginning, we did not base on the absolute position, but the relative proximity of the user from their initial location. So from that data, no one can reverse engineer the real location of the user, but that's able to detect whether a user left home.
When we started the Science Park since 2001, and at that time, nobody believed in R&D. Not even my son believed it. I mean, Dad, are you crazy? There's no manufacturing in Hong Kong. Why are you taking this job? I told him that this is the job to create opportunity for youngsters. Hopefully, in 5-10 years' time, people will start to believe making Hong Kong is possible.